Well, potato harvest of 2025 begins on this Labor Day weekend. I've had to clean the patch off. I've got 14 hills uncovered so far. So far, it's a decent yield, not too shabby. But I've got 8 rows and 250 hills altogether. So I've got a ways to go yet. And the last thing I need is something to break. And that's what happened. My $30-some fork broke not once, but twice. The handle was a lot longer, but it broke up here. So I added that handle, that loop, put black electrical tape around it, trying to preserve it, and then it broke right down here. 30-some freaking dollars. They just don't make nothing like they used to. They charge you a high price for it, but it ain't worth a crap. But that's our country. That's what the United States of America's come to.